Today we're going to do a video that is it's an urgent video. It's about my cough. But I don't know if it's like a chest infection or if I have something wrong with my things in there. I don't know. I just cough so hard. But if I'm gonna cough now, can you tell me in the chat below to tell me if it's a chest infection? Because I really need to know if it's a chest infection. So now I can cough, but I cough really hard, and I can do that. You see my cough? But I have my cough it's like for about 5 weeks. Quite a lot. But can you tell me in the chat below to tell me if it's a chest infection? Please tell me. When I breathe really hard. I think I have a chest infection because I breathe really I have something in my throat. You see? So tell me if it's chest infection because I cough really hard. So bye. I'll see you in another day. Bye.